welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to see if I can set up the TPS sensor on the throttle body on the Nissan. As you can see, I've got my voltmeter all set up here. I will show you on this spare TPS sensor which part you actually need to test. So you need to actually get into this white wire here, which is the switch wire, which is the one that comes off the bottom of the actual TPS sensor. What I'm using a just a normal D-pin plug. I'm using it as a back probe, so I'm just sliding it in like so, and then I've got something to actually take a reading off with my voltmeter. So the ignition is on, fully on. I've earthed just to the top of this shock mount here. Should actually be to the battery, but the battery's in the boot, but I need a really long cable, so I'm just going to there and hopefully I should get a good reading. I've got my little back probe just in the back of the sensor there. It's a 7mm nut on these little screws here. You can use a screwdriver as well, but just to loosen them off, it's just a 7mm. Easy to get to with a spanner or a socket. Okay. If I can find that probe, it's there. So at the moment I'm getting a 0.7 and I need to be between 0.2 and 1.5. I've also read on the forums 0.4 is usually pretty bang on. So that's 0. Get it on there without it coming up. It's 0.45 there. So it's just it's very sensitive. There's slightest movement. Now if I can leave it there at 0.45, see if I can tighten it up without it moving. I'll just nip that up at the top one for now. Now if I go back on the probe, find it, there we are. Now it's still 0.45, full throttle is 4.05, 06, so that should be about right. So the actual forums etc. and internet say, so hopefully that should be alright. Now it's dropped down to 0.3. Just move that off that cable. That cable's sticking. It's a little bit loose, so I might just nip that up, see if that's pulling it back. 0.3, 4.6. It's not the easiest thing to do. I could really do with a crocodile clip end on this really. So it's 0.38, 0.4. 0.4 and then open. Gives me 4.9, which is a bit better. It's gone to 0.5 now. Look at this throttle. It's a brand new throttle body. I say brand new, but you know, better condition. Now it's gone to 0.46. I'm getting a bit of cable stickage. Back on there. Yeah, 0.42, which is what we want. 4.8. 142, perfect. So that might be in this bracket here, stopping it from. Thing is, I'm going to have to adjust that bracket. Okay, so I'm going to nip that up, and hopefully that should have done it. Just give you a closer look. I've just zoomed in a little bit. Ignition is fully on again. So the reading I'm getting at closed is now 0.42, which is pretty much where I want it. And then fully open, it's 4.11, which is pretty good. It's pretty good. So I think that might be ideal. think we'll go with that. Yeah. Okay, so that was easy to set up. What I'm going to do is nip these back up now. Make sure these are nice and tight. So I think this actual cable bracket here, I think that's actually restricting the actual cable. It's actually pulling it too taut. So it's actually restricting the actual throttle going back to where it's supposed to. So what I'm going to do, I think I'm going to make it, this is actually handmade, this is from the old throttle, so I think I'm going to make a new one. I'm just going to sit slightly higher, so I'll probably do that in another video. But yeah, it seems to be okay now. I think we give that a test, a road test, probably later, as it's raining today. I won't be taking it out in the rain. So that's done, so now I'll probably have to reset the timing, which I'll probably do in the next video as well, and then set the idle, and then we should be pretty much dialed in then. So this has been a short video, so I hope you've found it interesting. If you have, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you on the next one.